Taking a firm stance, a guide to understanding and using this powerful phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, take a firm stance. This expression is widely used in both professional and personal settings, but what does it truly mean? And how can you use it effectively in your conversations? Let's explore together and master the art of expressing our convictions with confidence. To take a firm stance means to adopt a strong, unwavering position on a particular issue. It implies a sense of commitment and determination in one's beliefs or opinions. When someone takes a firm stance, they are not only clear about where they stand but are also prepared to defend their position and not easily swayed by opposing views. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, such as politics, where a leader might take a firm stance on a policy issue, or in personal life, where you might take a firm stance on important personal values like honesty or integrity. Using "take a firm stance" effectively in conversation signals to others that you are confident and serious about your position. Here are some examples of how to use it. In debates, I take a firm stance against the proposed changes because they do not address the root of the problem. Expressing personal values, I take a firm stance on the importance of transparency in our team. Making decisions, our company takes a firm stance on sustainability, choosing suppliers who prioritize eco-friendly practices. When you use this phrase, it's important to be prepared to explain and support your position, as taking a firm stance often invites questions or discussions. Taking a firm stance has significant impacts. It demonstrates leadership. Showing you're willing to stand firm on issues can earn respect and inspire others. Encourages dialogue. While it expresses a clear position, it also opens the floor for discussion, allowing for a deeper understanding of different perspectives. Promotes self-confidence. Being clear about your positions and willing to defend them can boost your self-esteem and decision-making abilities. However, it's also crucial to remain open to new information that could influence your stance. The balance between conviction and openness is the key to effective communication. Taking a firm stance is about more than just stating your opinion. It's about doing so with conviction, openness, and readiness to engage in meaningful discussions. We hope this video helps you understand how to use this powerful phrase to communicate your beliefs and values effectively. Remember, the ability to take a firm stance is a valuable skill in both personal growth and in leading others. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you confidently take your stance in your next conversation.